Did you know you can easily check values like distance, direction, and slope using just the Draw application? In this video, you will learn how to use the tie distance tool, a simple yet powerful feature that helps you analyze spatial relationships between any 2 points. Let's imagine we are on a construction site preparing for the installation of a pipeline network. In this exercise, we verify the quality of the trench creation to ensure it meets the project's specifications. On the map, we see the as-built trench model. A co-worker has staked out the position of the pipe connectors. That's where the tie distance tool comes in. It allows us to quickly and easily check the values between the stakeout points to ensure the pipes are placed at the correct distance, direction, and slope. Before we begin, please note, this tool is available with an iCON site value, performance, or ultimate license. We start on the Home menu and tap on Draw. The map displays both the trench model and the stakeout points. We tap on the Functions button. The Draw application includes a variety of tools, which are organized into functional groups for easier navigation. We select Point Creation. From the Point Creation toolbox, we select Tie Distance. A toolbar appears on the map with empty fields. Next, we select 2 stakeout points on the map. In this case, we want to evaluate the slope between them. Once the second point is selected, the values are displayed in the toolbar. The slope value of 1.165% confirms the expected gradient. The values shown in the tie distance toolbar are only an information and therefore cannot be edited. If the selected points have the same height value, the slope input field displays horizontal slope. We then shift our focus to checking the distance and direction between 2 other points. To do this, we first tap the eraser button to clear the previous selection. After selecting 2 new points, the updated values are shown in the toolbar. Now that we have verified the key values, distance, direction, and slope, we are ready to proceed with completing the underground piping installation. Thanks for watching.